Now, first go step by step in this. Okay. The first question: 70 plus 30 plus 70 minus 30 plus 40. 80. Okay. How many are telling 80? How many are telling 0? First one. First one. What's the answer? 0. All able to see now? 70 minus 30 plus 40. What is the answer? How many zeros in the class? 0. Okay. Let us see like how well you have understood your V bot mass. Okay. What does V stand for? Veniculum. Okay. What's that? What's that? It's a bar bracket. They call it as a bar bracket. Okay. Fine. It's called as a veniculum. Okay.
Why do you use the bar bracket?
I'll tell. What is B?
Brackets.
Brackets. How many different types of brackets you have? Square bracket, flower bracket, and the normal parenthesis. Okay, fine. This one order, or it is off some. What is D? Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, fine. Now here, what is the case? Which comes first? Addition or subtraction? Addition. Then 70 plus 40 becomes 110. Minus 30 becomes 80. So that's the answer, right? How did you get? Sorry, technical problem. It got disconnected. Class is there. Okay, fine. So here, even if you do the normal method, minus 30 plus screen is not visible. Okay. So even if you do the normal method here, it is nothing but minus 30 plus 40. It becomes plus 10. 70 plus 10 becomes 80. So anyways, you do it, you should get the answer 80, not 0. Okay. Be very careful with whatever signs you're going to use. It is very important. It is a small calculation, but many tend to make a mistake here. Okay. Second one, all are sure. Minus 30 plus 30 gets cancelled. The remaining is 140 plus 60, 200. Okay, fine. Third one, sorry. Cross check if you want and then start telling the answers. Sorry, you should tell me. All are sure? Yes. So now, first you'll do division or multiplication or what? Division. So 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. Okay. Then multiplication. 2 into 2 becomes, so 2 into 1 becomes 2. Okay. Then plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 2. Did you not get it? Who did not get it? Okay. First 2 divided by 2. Answer is 1, right? So you're left with 2 into 1 minus 2 and this becomes plus 2. This 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. You're left with answer called as. Okay. The fourth one, minus 8 minus 6, the whole bar is given. What is the thing? Yes. What's the meaning of bar? It's for the veniculum. Okay. So whenever you have a bar bracket given, you need to subtract this first. This has to be considered like a bracket. So 8 minus 6 becomes 2 and this becomes minus 2. Okay. Great. The next one, fifth one, minus 22. 14 plus 8 is 22 and add a minus to it, minus 22. Okay. What is 2 divided by 2 divided by 6? All are sure? Okay. So this goes up 2 into 6 by 2 comes 2 and 2 cancels, you're left with 6. Okay, next one. 2 into 6 by 3 becomes 2, becomes 4. Okay, fine. Next one. Eighth one, you should be solving the veniculum first. So this is the first part that you need to solve. 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, then 15 plus 11 is 26. 26 minus 17 is your answer. Okay, if anyone else got different answers, just check it out. Okay, what's the ninth one? 24 into 1 divided by 3 inside the bracket 15 plus 11 minus 8 plus 9. Yes, let's see how many different answers I'm getting for this. Answer
33, sir.
No, not 33. Not 33. First, always follow the V bot mass. As per V bot mass, which is the first one that you need to solve, whatever is inside the bracket. Okay. Inside the bracket, what will you do? Addition or subtraction first? Addition. Okay. 15 plus 11 is 26 plus 9 is minus 8 is 27. So this becomes 27. Next, what you should do? Bot mass. Division. Okay. So 27 and this becomes 3 9s are. 24 into 9 is 216. This is your whoever got 33, you might have done 24 times, subtract it and then do the answer, get something different answer. See, in the options, they will mention whatever possible answers you will get while solving a wrong one. But you should be careful enough to answer it properly. Always remember V bot mass. Okay, next one, 10th one, quick. Now there are multiple brackets. There are veniculum. Sorry, no, wrong. Let's see who gets it first. See, I should keep a timer, only 20 seconds for each question, not more than that. Okay, first you need need to solve the
What?
vernacular.
52, sir.
No. Answer is not 52. Just check. Just slowly check again. Minus 60 is the answer. Okay. Let's start solving. Okay. First, you need to solve whatever is inside the vernacular. So 13 minus 11 is 2. So write it down. Every step you write it down. All our kids know. So we'll write every step. 36 minus 8 into 20 minus 5 divided by 2 into 2. Okay. Fine. Next. Next, what I'm going to do? Inside the bracket, whatever is there, you need to solve it. Inside the bracket, which rule applies first? Division. So it becomes 24 plus 36 minus 8 into 20 minus 5 divided by 2 into 2. Right? Now your 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now we are left with 20 minus 5. It becomes 24 plus 36 minus 8 into 15. Right? Into 15. Now, which are you going to solve first? 8 into 15 or first? First you need to multiply. 8 15s are, what is 15 8s are? 120. 36 minus 120. So now 24 plus 36 is 60. 60 minus 120 is minus 60 is your answer. Right? Simplification, not sure. Right? Everyone are not sure with simplification. Yes, online students understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is minus 60. Okay. 11th one, now you do it. I hope not anyone doesn't do any mistake here. 11th one. First, what you need to do here? You're having like multiple brackets. One is a normal parenthesis, a flower bracket. Which will you solve first? Normal parenthesis. See, order of brackets, how does it come? First, if you're having the normal brackets, flower brackets, and a square bracket, first you need to solve the normal ones, then this one, then this. This is your order. How you need to solve this? Yes, quickly solve it. Let me know. I need answers from each and every one of you people. It's not a difficult one. Answer two. No.
21, sir.
Sorry?
21.
21. No, not 2, not 21. First.
62, sir.
62. Yes, answer is 62. Correct. Okay, let's see. Let's open up all the normal parentheses. Okay, 63 minus of minus becomes plus 3. And this becomes inside the bracket you need to solve. This becomes minus 2 minus 8 minus 3. You need to solve the vernacular first. 8 minus 3 is 5. This becomes minus 7. Okay, divided by 3. 5 plus, it becomes minus into minus. It is nothing but plus 2. Plus 2. Okay, fine. Next one, 63. 3 into minus 7 is? Can we do that? Sorry? Inside the brackets, you need to solve everything first. Okay, so it is nothing but multiply. Okay, so it becomes minus 21 divided by 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. Okay, so now you need to divide it. So 21 divided by 21 is 1. 63 minus 1 is 60. Okay, all got it? Not 2, not minus 2, not minus 22. Simplification. Okay, 12th one. Let's see, at least this one, I'm expecting you to get it right. Which will you solve? The normal parenthesis, and inside the normal parenthesis, the vernaculum first. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Everyone should get this answer right. No more. Quick. All these are basic simplifications. Still, I have not gone to the complex ones. 50 divided by 5. 10. Answer is 10. Anyone got 10? Okay, fine. So first you need to solve inside the brackets whatever is that. So it becomes 9 plus 8 is nothing but 17 minus 16, right? Becomes 11 plus 5, that is nothing but 16. 16. 1 divided by 5 divided by 15. Okay. Now 16 minus 1, that is nothing but, sorry, 15. Well, which answer you got? 15 divided by 3. Yeah. 15 divided by 3. So now I had Mr. 15
50
over.
divided by 3.
Yeah. It's right.
I saw the face version that
50 divided by 3, yeah? 3, yeah? Okay. Just let a minute. So let us like cross check it also once. 50 divided by 1 divided by 5. 16 minus 1, it becomes 15. So it becomes 3. So it becomes 50 divided by 3. Okay, fine. 13th one. Very easy one. You're not having a big numbers, only small numbers. 1. You're having all the brackets over here. A normal bracket, slab bracket, and a square bracket. It should be one of the easiest ones that you came up with. 5 by 8. Answer is 5 by 8. This becomes 3 by 2. 5 divided by 2. All I got this, did not get it. Name it. Understood now? Okay, online, any doubts? You need to do it separately. You need to open up each and every bracket, then it would count. Okay, this explanation I have given over here. You can just check it out. Okay, next one. So, how will you solve whenever you get squares? I had explained a method for you in order to find out squares, right? And I had also explained you methods whenever a number ends with 5, how to find out squares. Now, immediately let me know all these squares value. 65 square, 45 square, 85 square, 35 square. Answer. I had explained a method for you people. See, whenever a number ends with 5, multiply this number with the next number. 6 into 7 is 42. 5 square is 25. 4 into 5 is 20. 25. 8 into 9 is 72. 5 square is 25. 3 into 4 is 12. 5 square is 25. These becomes your immediate solutions whenever a number ends with 5. And how to find out squares from 1 to 100, I have explained you. I think there is no doubt in it. Only if you practice it every day, you will remember it. Else you won't remember. Okay, fine.